Good afternoon, Chairman, committee members, panel members, and also colleagues. I'm Dr. Chui from the Hong Kong Metropolitan University. I'm happy to be here. Our project team members comprises Professor Roy Valasamy and other 8 members. I'm also, I would like to thank you for the invitation to us that we can share with you our insights on how to prepare a successful proposal IDS CRG. In this sharing, we'd like to share with you some tips for the collaborative research grant proposal application. There are a number of topics within a proposal. Therefore, our discussion structures 4 key aspects, namely abstract, collaboration plan, methodology, and also the supporting documents. Based on the discussion, we would like to share with you some key pathway to prepare a competitive proposal. So first of all, abstract would be the gateway to a proposal. It is one of the first sessions that all the panel members and reviewers will see at the very beginning. I would say this is very important to prepare a nice abstract. What we have to do is to be precise yet informative. We also need to take very careful consideration because we have only one single page to prepare an abstract. So that we need to strike the balance on the depth and also on the conciseness. For the abstract, actually we cannot say all the things within an abstract. That's why we need to highlight some key important things. For example, we need to highlight the multidisciplinary and also collaborative elements of our proposal. And also, what next is that we need to explain clearly about the expected deliverables, because when the panel members and reviewers can see what expected deliverables are, actually, he or she will have a kind of a tangible understanding of what will be achieved in our proposal. Next thing I'd like to share is that this is the second key aspect. This is the collaboration. This is about the collaboration plan. Actually, having the effective collaboration is very important to enhance the efficiency and also creativity, which are the 2 most important attributes to prepare a good proposal. We also need to emphasize and also explain clearly about all the roles of our stakeholders. Stakeholders could be all the project team members. In our project, we have 9 team members. Apart from it, we have supporters. They are government officials, industry, and also we have some collaborators and also advisors. So we have a group of parties that are involved in terms of stakeholders. Once we have a clear explanation about the roles and responsibilities of all the stakeholders, actually we have a clear picture to explain why we need such a kind of members to involve in the project. And also, I would like to highlight that when the contribution of the stakeholder is recognized, actually they will have more energy and they are more willing to contribute on the project constructively. So apart from it, actually for a typical project, we'll divide the project into some main tasks. In our proposal, we call it work package. In each work package or main task, it will be further divided into some subtasks. So in each subtasks, it will be managed by different stakeholders. So we need to define the roles and responsibility of all the stakeholders, and they need to make sure that they are clear about what they should do within the project. Apart from it, we have too many subtasks within a project, so that supervision and also coordination becomes very important. That will be led by the project coordinator and some co-principal investigators. So that they can oversee and try to supervise and try to coordinate the overall process of the project, so that we can ensure that all the stakeholders are aligned in the same page and they are engaged actively in the project. Of course, we need to schedule some regular meetings so that we can meet up together, maybe bi-weekly, so that we can ensure that we know what each other is doing and all the people are being informed. The next comes to the methodology. So we talk about we divide a project into several work packages. In each work package, we need to explain clearly about the technical elements in a precise way. Apart from it, in each work package, we need to explain clearly about the responsibilities and also the roles of the respective stakeholders. Apart from it, we should also emphasize about the collaborative efforts, because it will involve the collaboration between stakeholders within the work package and also between work packages. Apart from it, we need to have a good project management plan. Typically, the project management will be defined in terms of some key milestones. The key milestones will serve as the checkpoints for the project timeline. These milestones actually will help us not only as an indicator to check about the duration of the project, but also the milestones function as a roadmap, so that we can ensure that all the stakeholders are focused on their own subtasks, and also we can ensure that everybody is on track. The next one we'd like to share is about the supporting documents, which is one of the important things, and also it is time consuming. So actually, we need to have a good preparation for the communication when we prepare a proposal, because we need to present our proposal to our potential stakeholders before we get their official approval. For example, it takes us maybe a few weeks or even few months to finalize the details of the supporting letters, as well as how we secure their signature. So that we need to be well prepared in advance. Maybe we need to aim at having our proposal ready at least a few weeks in advance prior the official submission deadline, because it will give us some buffer so that we can have some contingency action. Unfortunately, if we cannot receive some supporting documents from some important stakeholders, so that we may need to revise our proposal a little bit, and also explain how the collaborative plan can be adjusted. So in conclusion, preparing a successful proposal, of course, it comprises of a number of elements. In this sharing, we share with you some four key aspects: the abstract, the collaboration plan, methodology, and also the supporting documents. So for abstract, basically two important things: we need to be precise and also concise. Secondly, methodology, the collaboration plan, we should be take very careful consideration about how we can explain the complicated collaboration between more than, let's say, 10 stakeholders in a typical proposal, because we should have a number of team members already, plus some supporting organizations. Regarding the methodology, we should carefully explain the technical merits, and at the same time, we need to have a good explanation about the roles and contributions of each stakeholder, and also how we can oversee to ensure that we can have a good collaboration between stakeholders by using regular meeting and by the supervision and coordination of the PC and also co-PI. And last but not least, of course, supporting documents be well prepared for your proposal sometimes in advance so that you have more time to discuss with the potential stakeholders. So that's all for my sharing today. Thank you for listening. So wish you all the best and have a successful funding applications in next round. Thank you.